Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a SIM card. Okay, so first we need to pick up our phone, and now using the dedicated this small key or the key from another phone that you have, we need to, as you can see, in here we have this plate. We need to insert that key into that hole right in here. Now we need to gently push until it comes out, as you can see. Now we can grab it. Now we can place our phone, and now in here we have two places. In here we can inject the SIM card, and also on the other side. So we have two places for the SIM card. Now grab your SIM card, and now we need to place it in the right shape. Make sure that it fits good, that when you move it doesn't fall off. Now grab your phone, gently place it just like that, and make sure that this small hole that you can see on the screen will be fitting with this bigger hole that's in here. So now gently push, and now our SIM card has been successfully installed. We can also see, if that's true, it should appear in the notification bar that our SIM has been successfully placed. And yeah, in here we can see that our SIM is now detected by the phone. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.